Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add gig requirements on Fiverr. This feature helps you gather all the necessary information from buyers up front, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After you're signed in, look at the top menu and click on My Business, then select Gigs from the drop-down options. This will take you to your gigs dashboard where you can manage all your active and draft listings. Now, in the top menu of your gigs page, click on Draft. Alternatively, if you're creating something entirely new, you can start a new gig from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll focus on editing an existing draft. Locate the gig you want to activate from your list. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that menu and select Edit. This opens up the full editing interface for your gig. At this stage, you'll need to complete all the required information for your gig. This includes details like your gig title, category, and service description. Take your time here to ensure everything is accurate and compelling. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, scroll down and click Save and Continue. This will move you to the next section of the setup process. Here, you'll need to fill up all the required details once again. This might include pricing, delivery time, and any extras you want to offer. Make sure everything is properly configured before moving forward. After you've completed this section, scroll down and click Save and Continue to proceed. Just repeat this process for each subsequent section. Complete all the required information carefully, ensuring that nothing is left blank or incomplete. Each time you finish a section, scroll down and click Save and Continue until you finally reach the requirements section. This is the crucial part where you'll set up your gig requirements. Once you're in the requirements section, click on Add New Question. This allows you to create a custom question that buyers will need to answer before placing an order. Type your question in the designated field. Be specific and clear so buyers know exactly what information you need from them. Next, look for the option that says Get it in a form of. Below that, click the drop-down menu and select whether you want the answer as free text, multiple choice, or attachment. This determines how buyers will respond to your question. Free text is great for detailed answers, multiple choice works well for specific options, and attachment is perfect when you need files or images from the buyer. After selecting your preferred format, click Add. Your question will now be saved to your requirements list. You can add multiple questions by repeating this process if needed. Once you've added all your questions, click Save and continue to finalize everything. And that's it. You've successfully added gig requirements on Fiverr, which will help you collect all the information you need right from the start. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.